Resources section of iOPS 360 allows for storage of any kind of organizational documents, such as policies, procedures, SOPs, SOGs, etc. One benefit of the Resources section is that whenever changes are made, this will instantly be available to the users in their app. Once they open the document in the app, it'll be saved on their device. You can put it in airplane mode, low connectivity somewhere in the county. They'll still have the ability to access those documents. So we can get to the resources from Education and Resources, parentheses, SOPs, SOGs. If you don't already have a folder to hold all the documents in, you can create a new one, such as Adult Medical, Trauma, the year, etc. We'll click into one of those, and on the left you'll see a series of folders and files. Organize these in any way that you like, such as sections, years, type of policy, etc. And you can click Upload to add new files. If you want to change the categories, you can click the Manage Categories button to do that. Once this is created on the website, it'll instantly be available to all the apps.